Alright, this is demo video 2, which is having a look at the general layout of GarageBand. And so this is the general layout of what we're working with. What do we got? As you hover over each button, it'll come up with you know, what the button does. Library, so library, you know, opens up different instruments then that you can use. Quick help menu, some smart controls, editors, probably some of this stuff you won't really use that much. These buttons, of course, are very important. These are going to be your play, your fast forward, rewind, your record buttons. Over here we've got our LCD screen up here, which gives us information about where we're up to in the song, how fast we want our song. This is also where you can set things. Just double click on it and you can, you know, type in a slower speed if you want. Right, and you can also choose from different keys. To be honest, you probably don't really have to play around with this much either. A couple of things I would recommend though is switching off the click. You don't really need to have that on. Oh, there's a notepad there if you want. We've got the Apple loops switched on, so yeah, you can turn this onto Notepad. You can write a few notes to yourself if you like. Loops, and this is a media browser, so if you've got any other media on your computer, you can look it up in here and add it, okay? But you won't need that either because we're working just with loops to create our composition. What else we got? Down the side here, this is where all your different instruments are going to be listed. At the moment we've just got an electric piano, which eventually we're going to delete anyway. In the middle here, as it says, drag your Apple loops here. So as you find things over in your loop section that you like, down in this bottom window here, you simply click on it, drag it across, and it will be inserted into your composition, okay? You don't you don't need to, you should absolutely make sure that you insert every new loop that you want to insert has to be inserted below the others that you've already put in there, okay? So just make sure you always do a new line for every for every loop that you insert in this area. And that's pretty much it. Oh, this area up here is a way of narrowing down our options down here. So at the moment we've got a list of 2,518 items. Okay, we can listen to those items, by the way, by just touching them, or sorry, by clicking them once. I'll try to find something that's good. Let's go with some of the bass ones. So there we go. To stop it, just click on that, on this volume switch on the front. Alright, but so this is where I narrow it down. So if I want to just have a look at just piano sounds, then I just click on piano. Over here you can narrow it down even more. Would you like to have jazz piano sounds? Would you like to have clean piano? Would you like to have, and these are opposites of each other. So for example, would you like acoustic piano or would you like electric piano? Notice some of them are not valid, so we don't have options for some of them. Dry or a processed piano. So that's basically the areas of our screen. I don't think there's really much else that we need to know about this section.